Welcome to JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price, simply click the links in the description below, and we greatly appreciate if you buy a watch from us once in a while. Today, we'll be talking about the Rolex Oyster Perpetual Cosmograph Daytona, reference number 116509. A professional timekeeper that does not compromise in any style of luxury. The case is 40 millimeters in diameter from thumb to forefinger and is made of 18 karat white gold. The back, as per usual, contains the typical screw down case back with 4 distinct hallmarks. A little bit hard to see on the camera, but if you take a loop, and you can see them quite clearly underneath each lug. The right side contains the signature Rolex winding crown and 2 chronograph pushers for interval timekeeping. The crystal is of a transparent, scratch-resistant sapphire, so there's no need to fear suit threads or buttons damaging it. The bezel is fixed and engraved with a tachymetric scale, allowing you to keep track of event occurrences per hour, up to 400 units per hour, either in kilometers or miles. The intent for this, according to Rolex, is to be the ultimate timing tool for endurance racing drivers, so you can imagine that they can keep track of up to 400 laps per race. A more practical application for most of us, however, would say be to track average distance over time, say on a road trip or on a Sunday drive, provided your speed is relatively constant. The dial is white mother of pearl, set with 8 diamonds as hour markers, and they reflect light from nearly any angle, ensuring readability under any sort of lighting condition. The crown contains the Rolex logo and ensures water resistance down to 100 meters or 330 feet. Setting in time is rather simple. Simply unwind the crown. And this first position allows you to wind the watch. The second position moves the minute hand. And be sure to push the crown in and screw it back against the case to maintain that superior water resistance. The second hand actually moves with the chronograph, so starting it back up, you can see it move. And also notice, you can see the 15, 30, and 45 seconds at the 3, 6, and 9 positions, respectively. So this dial doubles as your timekeeping device as well as your chronograph. The bracelet is the Oyster style with a flat 3-piece, 18 karat white gold links, brushed on the sides and polished on the middle links, as well as the outer parts of each link for exceptional luster. The clasp is the folding Oyster lock safety clasp with an easy link 5mm extension for when your hydration and by extension wrist size changes throughout the day. This is with it closed and open. The most important part of this timepiece is the movement. It is a 4130 caliber with a plus or minus 2-second time differential per 24 hours, exceeding Swiss standards of timekeeping with their own in-house made movements. It has a perpetual mechanical self-winding, so you only need to wind it once fully, and wearing it will allow the timepiece to continue winding throughout the day. The oscillator contains a high-performance Paraflex shock absorber and a paramagnetic parachrome blue hairspring to prevent electromagnetic interference, keeping the movement consistent in nearly any condition. The power reserve for this model is 72 hours, so you can set it down after winding it fully and pick it up exactly 3 days later, and it will still be keeping time just fine. Alright, and now to try this one on. Alright, so the stock bracelet is rather large on me, but that's okay. Just remove a couple links and I'm good. Note that the case does not rise too high above my wrist, as it's low profile. Allows it to slip in nicely under any long sleeve. So, who is this for? Obviously, for someone with an appreciation for texture and utility, someone who needs to keep track of time and is busy around the clock and would like a reference for, say, units per hour of production, movement, racing, you name it. For more specialized users, this is an excellent timekeeper and tracker all in one, with the tachymetric scale on the bezel and subdials to keep track of time precisely. For collectors, this is a high-end model that is an absolute must, as each dial is uniquely fashioned with white mother of pearl, and this specific model has tons of colored tints, tones, and shades, depending on your lighting conditions, and will without a doubt attract attention from any observer or other Rolex enthusiast. So what are your thoughts on this timepiece? Is there just too much function in this? Do you really need this tachymetric scale? Or would it actually help you out? Do the symmetrically set diamond hour markers make this seem like a keeper to you? Certainly very attractive to me. And will you be picking one up at Jazz Time? So leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and if you want this or any other watch, visit us in our online store at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in Jazz Time, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.